harvests. Okay, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing great from wherever you're watching me from. This is Chinaza from Chinaza TV. It's been a while that I posted a video on my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. My channel, I do more of unboxing and Germany vlogs, but today I'm going to be giving you a little tour around my garden to show you some of the beautiful plants that I have. It's a sunny day, so I thought why not to show you around what I have in my garden. So let's get to it. Here you can see the toys. Okay, and I have some plants coming up, but this will be for another day, or for today, just to show you how big it is and how spacious that I have. Okay, so there we have, here we have some plants. This is blueberry plant, which I will come back to. Okay, this is trampoline where the kids can play and jump around. We also have small space for, look, this is a beautiful tree plant. And here, this is a very big plant. We're able to hang two easy sit-on swings for the kids. Okay, and here we have little sand. We also have little sand for them that play there. Okay, this is motor rod, and all of here around here we make a grill sometimes when we want to. And here is a Christmas tree. Okay, that's still coming up. It's a Christmas tree. Okay, and here is a small house for the garden. This is trampoline. Okay, so big. But today I want to really focus more on the blueberry plant to show you guys the upcoming harvest. Okay, here we have upcoming harvests. Okay, oh, such a cool weather. So we have a lot, and I hope to have this fruit harvested only if the birds will let them stay or be when it gets ready to be harvested, because these birds are everywhere around here feeding. Okay, so I also intend to get a net like thing to cover it up to keep the birds off from it. Okay, but in the meantime it's going to be like this. So it's a big plant with a lot of fruits hanging on, only if the birds will let. This is big. Okay, it's a big one. Okay, here too, and here, so many of them. And if you take a close look, you can see them everywhere. Blueberry, but not yet ready to be harvested. Here. Okay, so all around you can see, and yeah, like I said, it's a big plant from here. This is how big it is. Okay, I hope to get a good harvest, and when it's harvested, I'll also come back to show you guys. We can also make the harvest together to show you guys what I got, if the birds were all able to let it be, and if they came out good, how good they tasted. Is it worth having? What were the challenges? Okay, but for now everything is going well. We supply water, we sprinkle water in during the dry days, and when it's raining it gets its natural source. Okay, and we'll ensure that there are no grass around it. It's just doing well at the moment. We don't see any need to have any pesticide or what insecticide around on it, so it's good the way it is for the moment. And this is it for now, and until my next video when we'll be harvesting this together. I'll see you then. Have a great time and bye.